Welcome to the WordPress limit login tutorial. In this video, we will see how to enable login attempt limits using Ultimate Security. To get started, make sure you have installed Ultimate Security. First, go to the settings menu at the top Ultimate Security dashboard and click on Threat Protection. Click the Brute Force Protection section, and you will jump into the Login Attempts Limit setting page. Head to the Login Limit toggle and click it to enable Brute Force Protection. Now, let's set the rules. Under Login Attempts, choose how many times someone can fail before they are blocked. Setting this to 4 or 5 is usually best for real users. Here we're setting this to 4. This means a user gets 4 tries before being locked out. Next is the lockout duration. We are setting this to 10 minutes to give genuine users a chance to reset their passwords later. You can increase or decrease the duration from here. To make it even tougher for bots and protect heavy brute force, increase login attempts. This tracks repeated failures. This adds extra protection by making the lockout period longer if the same person keeps failing. We will set the increased login attempts to 6. If someone is locked out 6 times, the penalty becomes more severe. For the increased lockout duration, this ensures persistent attackers are blocked for a full day. Now, the retrieve reset duration. Use this option to decide how long the system remembers those failed attempts before clearing the count. We'll set this to 12 hours so the attempt counter clears after half a day. Finally, you can block users by selecting specific usernames from your site that you want to prevent from ever logging in. Once you're done, make sure to get the recovery URL. This is a secret link that lets you back into your site if you accidentally lock yourself out. Generate new URL and copy the URL. Save it somewhere safe. Save your settings and your site is much safer. Now open a new browser, go to your admin login page. Try to log in with wrong credentials and you will be locked out because of too many failed attempts. Your account is now protected from brute force. Download Ultimate Security link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more WordPress security videos.